The open floor plan in this popular Youngsville subdivision is waiting for you. Sugar Ridge is one of Youngsville's most conveniently located neighborhoods. Home is just a few years old and it feels like new. Featuring the open floor plan you probably have been looking for. You will love how the living room, kitchen, and dining room all combine nicely to make one big room. The living room is clearly bigger than normal and can fit a lot of furniture all around the pretty fireplace. Huge master bedroom is on its own wing separate from the guest rooms, so just the setup you need. Outside you have a covered patio overlooking a large yard, big enough for a pool of your own. More. Being this is not that old of a home, you can relax and enjoy your home versus always feeling like something is about to go out. Come see why people love living in this.